Good evening. I want to go into the student view, if I can do that, so that you can see it the way you see it and not the way I see it. Okay, student view. Someone told me that, or more than one person has said that there's not enough explanation about the NetTutor and the Fresno online tutor. So I'm sorry about that. I'm glad you tell me things because I've been doing this for so many semesters and I've explained it so many times, and then sometimes I'll just leave something out and I'll forget. And so if you tell me, then I'll realize I made a mistake. Okay, so during the day from, between 8 and 2:30, roughly, well, 2:30, no. What time do we close at Fresno City College? 7? So until about from 8 till about 6:30 on school days, you're going to use Fresno City College online tutoring, which right now is not working because the campus is closed. And when it opens, which I just clicked on it, and then you go to Read Write Tutoring, and you click on that, and there's not going to be anybody there now. So that is the one, this one, not that one, during WRC, that means Writing and Reading Center, open hours. Click here or on this image below, and here's the hours. Okay? Afterwards, they've got NetTutor right there, but if you wanted to go straight to NetTutor, you would click on the sidebar, which is going to be the same thing. And it's not coming up, but it should have clicked open. Okay. Go back. Wait, okay, here I am on NetTutor. So anyway, it's going to either be under this, the Fresno City College online writing, and then I found it, or you can click there. Hopefully it works when you do it. Now this is open all the time. Well, I shouldn't say that, 24/7, but actually it's only open after we close. So on Saturday, for instance, when we close at 3, but our online tutoring, NetTutor, opens at 2:30. So we will stop doing online and you'll go to NetTutor at that time. It's always one-on-one. You always have to be there with the tutor. You can't drop your essay off and expect them to fix it. What else did I not say? I'm blanking. Don't use PASS. I have to get rid of PASS. PASS is not in my class because I am at the Writing and Reading Center. It won't be open this coming Saturday because it's Labor Day weekend. Is there anything else that I'm being asked? The Rise of the Oligarchs is in the Aristotle discussion board. And just write to me if you have any more questions.